Hello, this is Merkin Man 4 here,
And Godzilla 90J.
and we are reviewing the 2012 sets Endor Rebel Trooper and Imperial Trooper Battle Pack,
Containing 77 Lego pieces.
and its ages 6 to 12,
Set number 9489.
and it's about $16.
Canadian.
So, anyway, as you can see, it is a small set. And I wouldn't get this set if you were looking for the set itself. I'd get the set for the minifigures. So, here's
the
Stormtrooper.
Just call me normal Stormtrooper.
He has
Nothing.
a new torso design.
And he also has a kind of a new face.
And also a new back design.
Go along with the changes that happened with this year.
And I really like the faces now. They now have faces underneath their helmets. So now, yeah, it's good.
Helmet's exactly the same, no difference.
The Scout Trooper, he is like this exactly the same Scout Trooper as the one in the 2011's Endor set, and the only difference is underneath his helmet, flips backwards, is his head. Same head. And now the two Rebel Troopers. They have some cool torso designs and specially molded helmets. This one has a different torso design.
Different torso.
Bullet
It's kind
strap
of like
across his
mainly an
chest.
Indiana Jones, mainly.
Well, yeah, that's his face. His face is used on the Indiana Jones minifigures. And now, here's the actual sets. So you get one of these speeders. This speeder is a little bit different from the 2011 version. It's a little bit more detailed. They're pretty fun to play with. Yeah, nothing very much.
Great stop motion videos or like mocks.
Yeah, and this is the Rebel base, I guess. It's just a single tree. The rotating flick fire missile.
They all have to have. No, like I said, it's complete without a flick fire missile.
Of course.
It's really quite stupid. Like them and add them into SpongeBob sets.
That you didn't need to say, but yeah.
The common, just flick it. The more harder you flick, the more forward it goes, the more deadly
Yeah, but
it is.
it rotates as well, so that's sort of cool. But it doesn't really match in with the rest of this.
So that's pretty much the set containing Stormtrooper,
Scout Trooper, and two Rebel Endor Troopers.
and a new speeder bike.
It is $15.99 Canadian dollars.
Let's go to the box.
Yeah.
And see you.
Oh,
With a box, it
it's
shows
the box.
them fighting.
Having a little battle. And
back, it just
on the
showing
back
what they
it
can
shows mini like blueprints of that. Shows him and all
Shows the new
in the
speeder bike.
features.
Up here, of course, there's a new life-size version.
Oh, and yes, something I forgot. This is supposed to be a gun rack.
With a
And one other thing, there are comics on the instructions. Comics on the instructions of the 2012 sets.
And this one came at one, like all of them do right now. Currently, we're doing this review kind of late, but
And the comics are pretty cool. Okay, so in this comic, basically, so it shows that he's running away from Speeder. And they get to their base, they shoot the missile at him, and it explodes and he goes flying. And
Yes,
yeah, that's it. And
Those are
it
different
also
sets.
shows the different sets for 2011.
We will also be reviewing this one
The Genos and
and this
Cannon.
one.
And
and the next battle pack.
yes.
So,
And that's
peace
it
out
for
for now.
this set.
Viewers, hope you come back later. Remember, I'm Dodgilla90J.
And I'm Mergaman4. See you in the next review.